The process begins with collecting and sorting various types of scrap copper wires. These wires are fed into a heavy-duty processing machine for initial cleaning and preparation. The wires are then thoroughly washed with high-pressure water jets to remove debris. This cleaning stage ensures the copper is free from dirt and other contaminants. Once cleaned, the wires are moved forward for the next phase of the recycling process. The wires are then subjected to high temperatures inside a specialized furnace. Heat treatment helps to further purify the material and prepare it for melting. After the heat treatment, the wires are ready for the mechanical stripping stage. Advanced machinery strips away the insulation, leaving behind pure copper strands. These copper strands are then gathered and transported to the melting furnace. Inside the furnace, the copper is melted down into a molten state. The molten copper is then poured into molds to form solid copper ingots. This molten metal is carefully managed to ensure high quality and consistency. The liquid copper is poured into large containers for further processing and cooling. As it cools, the copper begins to take its solid form. Multiple containers move along the line, undergoing controlled cooling processes. Water sprays are used to cool the copper rapidly and efficiently. Once solidified, the copper blocks are ready for shaping and manufacturing. A robotic arm lifts the copper block, preparing it for the next stage. The block is then transported to the shaping machine for further refinement. A powerful press shapes the copper into the desired cylindrical form. These cylinders are then moved along the line for further processing. The cylinders are reheated to maintain flexibility for final shaping. A heavy press stamps the copper into its final bowl-like shape. The formed copper bowls are then moved to the finishing station. A precision cutting tool trims the edges for a clean, smooth finish. The surface is then polished to achieve a high-quality, reflective finish. Finally, the bowls are washed to ensure they are clean and ready for packaging. The finished bowls are now ready for the final packaging stage. A robotic arm carefully packs the bowls into boxes for shipping. The boxes are then wrapped in protective plastic film for safe transport. The finished products are stacked on pallets, ready for distribution. This completes the efficient and sustainable copper recycling and manufacturing process.